I think we're on the right track to the falls.
Chicken, your lights been on for fucking. The whole kitchen shakes round now, she's shaking. And by the looks of the ceiling is breaking into. I'm gonna have to fix you too. Maybe we could be something somewhere down the road. I thought young me couldn't sit out until those green lights know. To fix her up with the red wine.
So now that we've visited the base of Devil's Punchbowl, where there's death all around us, we're going to work our way back along the ice sheet in front of us, and then up the face of the left side, facing north, of course, and then we're going to go to the top. Now, as a kid, of course, we went the direct route, but since Jazmin's not that skilled at ice walking, we'll take the roundabout route. So let's go do it. Let's go to the top.
I keep taking the broken and thinking that I'm blue. I'm gonna have to fix you too. Maybe we could be something somewhere down the road. Until those green lights know. Just fix her up with the ever was. I need some work to tell you the truth.
You're not a ball, so if you fall, you're not going to just bounce all the way to the bottom. Everywhere around you there's trees and things to grab onto. So if you slip maybe a meter or so.
Okay, let's keep going.
When you get your shit together, when your edges ain't so well.
Jazmin, you did it! You did it! You did what I did 40 years ago. You climbed the Punchbowl.
It was great. It wasn't scary at all.
She did it. She did the Punchbowl.